गॉन आर द डेज जब कुछ अचीव करने के लिए लाइफ में आपको घंटों मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी और पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती थी. स्टूडेंट्स आर इवॉल्विंग, टाइम इज चेंजिंग और अब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अपने आप को अच्छे से परफॉर्म करने के लिए म्यूजिक बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. आई हैव समवन स्पेशल हियर टुडे हु बिलीव्स दैट म्यूजिक इज अ थेरेपी. ही इज ऑल्सो लर्निंग गिटार, लेकिन पढ़ाई में भी नंबर 1. Hi Mrinal, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Mrinal, I think मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही आ रहा है that you want to become a doctor, right?
Right.
So, what made you decide that you really want to go for this thing?
It was a rather indirect route. Like up till 7th, or I think up till 7th, I used to think I want to become an engineer. Then somewhere along the line, when I started playing video games, I got interested in getting into the army. So I didn't think of getting into the army as a soldier per se, but I thought it would be nice to get in as an army doctor.
Oh.
So that was where it started. So actually for like 2-3 years, it wasn't about becoming a doctor for me, it was about becoming an army doctor particularly. But then along the way, I became less insistent on army doctor only, and my interest moved less from the army to more towards the medicine aspect of it. So that's how finally I decided, okay, I want to be a doctor, not specifically an army doctor.
Are you going to be the first one in your family to become a doctor?
In my immediate family, yes.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah, I mean, it's a new career path. Like, I haven't really heard about it from anyone in my immediate family. So that way, it's a new and exciting thing for me. Like, it's kind of a little bit like exploring the unknown. So.
Okay, so we have always seen people like you who are very studious, very intelligent. They have a fixed curriculum and number of hours that they have to study. Tell me something, what is your schedule like?
I have tried so hard, so many points in my life to create a timetable and stick to it. I have charted out a day from the minute I wake up to the minute I go to sleep, thinking, this will help me stay organized, this will help me achieve my goals. And I cannot quote one instance where a timetable has worked for me. Like within 2 days, I would scrap that timetable and I try to create a new one. Ultimately, I figured out that timetables aren't my thing. So then I just started, improvising on the way kind of thing. I can't study for long hours. Like I study for 45 minutes, I have to take a break. So that's when I figured out timetables aren't exactly, I can't stick to it. So then I decided, then why waste time making them? So I started studying that way, having a goal like this much I have to do in a day, and then figuring out my own way to kind of finish that within the day.
Okay, so I think one last question which is coming to my mind is कि बहुत सारे लोग फिलहाल they're listening to you, and so many students are also preparing for their exams. They would want to know what is that one secret ingredient, in that right recipe, as they say. What is that one particular secret ingredient that you would want to give those students listening to you?
You'll hear this in every movie, but there is no secret ingredient. In fact, the one thing I figured out is that you have to figure out what works for you. Okay. Like even basic things like how to approach an exam, which subject to do first. Like when I wrote my exam, I did it in the exact reverse order that all my lecturers and all my peers were doing. If they did this subject first, I did that last, because I found it worked for me. So if there's one thing I'd like to say, it's that you're going to be studying for an exam for a long time, right? So experiment, figure out the learning method, the exam attempting method that works for you, and stick to that. Don't bother if it's not what other people are doing. If it works for you, then that's all that matters. You don't really have to go with the flow.
Wow, I wish I had that kind of wisdom back then. But we have Mrinal who's sharing these stories with us only and only to inspire us. So my last question to you, Mrinal, would be how Aakash Byju's made that difference in your life?
As I mentioned, I can't study for long hours at a time. So the major thing that helped me at Aakash Byju's was that they let me create my own timetable. Like they'll help you, they'll support you whenever you want, but they'll not try and dictate the way you study. That's up to you. You have the freedom to study the way you want, when you want. So that way, not having such a rigid schedule which was given to me by an institute, the absence of that really helped me. And I think, aside from the whole concept clarity thing, the concepts were all taught me brilliantly well and clearly by my teachers. But aside from that, when it comes to how I study also, I think it was the environment provided here that helped me study and do my best. So
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Mrinal. I think ऐसी stories हमारे सामने जब जब आती रहेंगी तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा inspire होते रहेंगे, because as I always say, to become something in life, you have to start. So Mrinal ने एक journey start की है. If you were also thinking, then this is the time. Start now.